welcome to this next video. So we were discussing how we can modify our watermark table, which we created in this AdventureWorks data warehouse for historical load, right? So the table that we created, let me just go ahead and execute this, has a structure like simple structure like this. We have a table name, we have a schema, we have a watermark, and we have frequency. But as we saw for our incremental pipeline, we need a more complex structure, like where we can define source table, active is truncate, watermark value, destination schema, source table, etc, etc, right? So what I'll do is like I'll go ahead and drop the existing watermark table that's present in this AdventureWorks workspace, right? Then I'll go ahead and create a new watermark table, right? And here, like so my source is this, my table, let's say I want now dim account, right? Is active, yes. Is truncate, no. So let's check dim account table for what should be our watermark column. Select top 100 star from dim account, which is in DBO schema. All right, and as you can see, like since usually this table does not really have any watermark, so this will happen, this can happen to like this will happen, right? So you will find tables where there is no date column, so those are always like go for truncate load for these tables, right? Because you cannot really pull incrementally, because you do not know like on what date basis you have to pull the next value, right? So you cannot really pull this table. What you have to do, you have to make it a truncate load, right? Okay. All right. So what we'll do, since this table does not have any date column, so here what we will make truncate load, will make it yes, right? All right. And start date, so since this does not have any particular watermark available to me, right? So I'll make it null, right? And this also null, right? Okay, so I do not have any watermark column and watermark value. What is my destination schema name? My destination schema, like where I want to put this table into, right? So DBO, right? Source schema is also DBO, frequency is daily. What is my key column? My key column here is account key, right? And what is my like staging schema, right? Where do I want to put my table, right? So since we are using ADLS for staging, right, we are not doing anything that expensive or that weird. So what we are doing, we are putting everything into our ADLS account first, and from there we are ingesting into Azure Data Factory, right? So go ahead and name it DBO only. And what columns I want all the columns. Go ahead and insert it. Okay, so we have one row in our table, right? So let me stop this video here, right? Let's just see this. First, all right. So what we'll do next, we'll go into our Azure Data Factory in our historical load pipeline, right? What I want to do is like here, what I was doing earlier, I was passing this table and I was reading the whole table. I do not want to read the whole table here, right? What I want to do, I want select star from. All right, I want parameters. What